Hey guys, Dr. Cole with Mid-Atlantic Chiropractic here. It's Patient Appreciation Day, and we have a fan favorite, Miss Kelly, here today. So we'll be doing a routine chiropractic adjustment starting up here in the neck. So for Miss Kelly's listings, we have C1, C2, so we have C3 rotation on the right. Okay, so we're going to bring the right ear towards the right shoulder. Good. Beautiful. And then we have C1 lateral flexion or C5 extension. Things have been feeling pretty good, Kelly. Let's see. Flex right here. Beautiful.
Well, I did have a massage.
That's right. Saphir did a good job.
I did have a headache over the past 2 days.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you scoot down just a little bit, and then we'll have you bend up your knees for me. And we'll do the feet flat. Beautiful. We'll do elbows in together.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. You're doing a good job. And then tuck your chin and come on up. Big deep breath all the way out. Awesome. We'll have you go on your belly. Let's take a look here. So I know we need to do some lateral flexion. Is that tender there?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to do a big deep breath here all the way out. Good. And again, big deep breath all the way out. And one more time, big deep breath, all the way out. So a couple extension here, straight down. And big deep breath here. We're going to hold it. Exhale. Good. And again, big deep breath. Exhale. And one last time, big deep breath. And exhale. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to do external rotation on the right. So I'll have you cross that right leg for me. One more time. And then uncross. Big deep breath. Hold it. Exhale. Wonderful. All right, Miss Kelly, you're all ready to rock and roll, my friend.
Perfect.
I think that massage really helped.